water for baby Ulrich. Ang atong rasyon. Sorry kay mamata sa Pilipinas, no? Wajud na siya kanon. So, anak na siya diha. So, here ta. While waiting kay baby Ulrich.
There's another push. There we go. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Aww. Aww. If I'm out of the room and you're worried about anything, just push the green button. Okay. Padidira daw, day. Ilaharaman na siyang i-ano niya.
Lutuan din nato atong tinanggang asawa ani, no? Aron nadagan siya gatas. Spinach. Manok na siya nga naikamunggay og spinach para nga naaday siya batas para kang baby Ulrich. Right niya. Tatad padulong na dito sa ospital. Yeah, you're going to your... Where are you going?
I'm going to...
Your baby brother?
Yeah,
Little brother? What's the name?
baby Uri.
Okay, you go there. Come on. Five oh one. You go there. Wala kang there. 530. 533. 530?
Ah, right round there, this way.
Ah, yeah, okay, thank you.
37?
530.
Oh, 530.
Ayan.
I just came out of that
thank
room,
you.
just up there.
Okay,
There you
thank you. Ate! You go. Come on. You go there. You go inside. What? That's baby. That's baby Ulrich. Ate, come on. Huh? Wala.
Huh?
Oh, you go there. Baby
Baby
Ulrich. Hi. Baby Ulrich. Come on now. Hug baby Ulrich. You go there. You go there. You go there. Baby Ulrich. Di. Be. Baby Ulrich. Oh, you hug baby Ulrich. Hug. Hug. Nag-burping pa.
Bago pa man siyang cake. Sit there, oh.
Yan na. Nakita na namin si baby Ulrich finally.
Look at them. Tanaw siya itong bitara.
Look on the window.
Look at.
Happy?
Happy.
It's baby Ulrich. Have a look, baby Ulrich. Oh. I love baby.
Look at his hat.
Yeah, he's
Oh.
Dagan kay.
Put it. Put it. Oh, big girl lang nanay. Yeah.
Put it.
Very good. Very good. Very good ang nanay.
Ay, ayo, baby Ulrich. Good morning. Ito yung magpapatunay na mali yung kanta na ano, na yung sa long hair, yung intro na lahat tayo ay pinanganak na kalbo. Ayan, oh. May buhok yan. Pati yung panganay ko may buhok. Yan, oh. Yan si baby Ulrich.
Sige, kunin mo na.
Ang paglaya ni baby Ulrich.
Read that to baby already.
Ang paglaya ni Baby Ulrich. Home at last. Baby Ulrich.